Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on ExpertVillage.
Okay.
Alex has all the pieces prepared. They're all trimmed and cleaned, and he ground off the old E-coat. Now he's putting them in the trunk for the final welding. He'll use a few Klinkos to locate it, but he's now got everything fit, and we're ready to get it in there perfectly for the final installation and welding. Since everything was already cut and fit earlier, it all just lays in here real easily this time.